but I was quite relieved after I got to know about IST, and I am choosing IST because not it as an easy way. IST is focusing on something what I want to do for the future.
Hey Masood, thank you for joining us today. Why don't you start by telling a little about yourself? Where are you from and what brought you to this point?
Hello, I am Masood Alam from Pune. I recently passed my 12th standard and I was thinking what to do next. At that time, I have already enrolled in one of the IntelliPad program. So one time during session, an senior manager joined and explained about IST. From there, I got to know about IST. At that time, I was also preparing for my JEE, but I was never good with my physics and chemistry. So I also thought, why am I even preparing for it when I am not good with it? And why not I choose IST?
So, was engineering always on the table?
I like engineering a lot, but not in a traditional way how everyone does it. I am quite interested in coding and how technology works. My family also told me to do JE, but I told them and I explained them I want to do something what I like and I want to do something different.
That must have been a very tough decision going against the usual route.
It was quite hard for me choosing an different part, and if I have not found IST I would have done any other BSc course because there was not any other option. But I was quite relieved after I got to know about IST, and I am choosing IST because not it as an easy way. IST is focusing on something what I want to do for the future.
Was there a specific moment that confirmed it for you?
Thing I liked about IST, they are giving 100% 18-month internship part. Because nowadays for job you need good experience and skill, not only a simple degree that will give you a job. So IST is focusing on your skills and degree,
So, looking back, how do you feel about this decision?
and I was quite relieved back then that I got to know about IST and I became a part of it because I want to do something good for my future.
That's very inspiring, Masood. What would you say to someone else who's standing where you were torn between JE and something that feels a bit more untraditional?
At the end, I will only say that marks doesn't matter a lot, and J is not only the way. Even if you scored bad in your exam, your life won't end there. You will have a lot of opportunity left, and you only live once. So why not do something you like to do?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.